Okay, everybody. Not sure what to do. And today, I went to Target. I found a brand new Hot Wheels monster truck finally. I haven't found any new Hot Wheels monster trucks besides the last one I got was a Shark Bite. So Sharks vs. Dinos, new for 2025. RAGEASAUR. This is Team Dino. Pretty cool. Here's a back. There's a Grand Prix Team Shark 5 alarm. Team Dino RAGEASAUR, which is with the melted lava tires. The Tumbler Batmobile, the camouflage one, re-release. And this one, RAGEASAUR, the normal one I have. Mario, it's a bizarre release, the Mario one. It's bizarre. And the Carbonator. Name, RAGEASAUR, truck type creature, strength, the Extinctor, crash tech T-Rex. So without further ado, guys, get this baddie, or thing with her, yeah, baddie, I guess, I don't know. Get this thing out of the packaging. This awesome new casting that Hot Wheels made for 2025. I think this is the last case for the year, and next year. And put that light on it, guys. There's a light below me, so you can see that detail more. There's RAGEASAUR, guys. That is so nice. Look at that casting. I love the chrome motor. RAGEASAUR, it says green metal flake. Dark orange rims and B-Lux. Dark green roll cage. There's a front. It looks like a crocodile right there on the front, but it's a dinosaur. There it is, guys. The tail. Oh, it's actually metal, the tail. That's cool. The mud flaps, or that's called those things on the tires, I don't know. Orange chassis. So that's all I found new today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you can, guys. More videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed this brand new Hot Wheels monster truck casting today.